This is probably the first event that I've been to where everybody's felt like a friend.
Yeah, like you don't feel like they're just talking at you. You're part, like it's like more like a workshop actually. I feel transformed by it.
So it was really life-changing for me in the few minutes that I came, because I came late, but I was like, you know what, there's something there for me. And the message was phenomenal.
This is my first networking Maverick, and it won't be the last one because I am gonna keep coming through these events. I enjoyed it, everything.
Anytime Lauren is in the building in MIA, I suggest you not only buy one ticket, but maybe 5, because you have to be here.
So this left me on such a high.
Yeah, we need more. We need more of this.
And when are they happening?
Right now, exactly.
Queen Lauren,
Yeah,
when
Queen
are they
Lauren.
happening?
Queen Lauren!